Hey guys, it's Greg. Doing a bike check. So I'm from the top going to the bottom. Hope you enjoy it. I'll be getting some new parts, then I'll be doing a different bike check, but yeah. In the meantime, alright, so I don't know if you can see, but I have purple demolition bars. Glossy, love them. Not really in my color scheme, but a friend gave them to me free. Pretty good, like them a lot. Got the Primo Boy blue grips with the black Primo bar ends. Got the Odyssey front load stem in black with the Ritchie headset. I got Haro V2 forks, which are really nice. I like them a lot. They're green, obviously. But I have a Odyssey Aiken front tire 2.25 on a Alienation black rim. With a Primo laced to a Primo front hub with black, just Primo black spokes and nipples. So I have a stolen front blue peg, which is nice. Haven't really used them a lot because just got them. But then I have these pretty good Haro pedals, black. Like them a lot. Still pretty good. Worn them down a lot, but then I have, yeah, two of those. But then I have the premium matte black cranks, which are nice. Like them a lot. Right now I'm riding right side drive. So then I got the green premium sprocket. Pretty nice. I like it a lot. Just some average chain that I got off my friend. Really good. It's been holding me up for a while. Now to the back, we got the Odyssey Aiken back tire. Like a lot. On a Alienation black. It's the same thing as that, but laced to a hub. The Primo remix. Yeah, so then I have another blue peg. This one's older because he said he rode this one more than that one, because this one he had some other chrome peg, I guess, and he didn't use that one, so that one's new and this one's not. Yeah, so now we got the Kink Sean Sexton seat, which is really nice. Recommend getting it a lot. I'll be doing a review on it later. Pretty cushiony, like it a lot. On a pivotal seat post, which is the Kink stub with a Sunday seat clamp. And now to the frame, we have the Haro 400.2 frame. It's really good, like I mean really awesome. It's been holding me up a while. It's good for street, good for dirt, good for park, good for anything. So yeah, rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you later.